Okay.
Where are we?
At Harbor Freight.
Since we did the episode where we went to Harbor Freight to shop, we've had some people ask us, what is Harbor Freight good for? What do they have there? What should I get there? So this video is going to show you some of the things that I would recommend getting at Harbor Freight.
Is this my left?
Nope, your other left hand.
Okay, then let's...
Whoop! Ah.
So, why are these? So there are little black ones, bigger ones, and huge ones.
Yeah.
Look at.
Look at all those clamps. Whoop! Ah. What do you think about this?
What's that?
You get it?
What is it?
It's another clamp.
It's a clamp?
Yep.
It doesn't look like one, it's wooden.
Yeah, I know. It's cool though, right? Whoop! Whoop! Ah! Whoop! Ah! Awesome things in Harbor Freight, but I think this aisle with the machetes and the bicycle lift and the telescope and the knife sharpener, camping stuff, thermometer, nose hair trimmer, hair care kit, pots, and last but not least, the clock that looks like a wheel may take the cake for weirdest aisle. What do you think, Jillian?
I don't know about it.
Look, you even got a rolling walker for the oldest of us woodworkers. And a blood pressure monitor. This is just, what is this labeled? Housewares. Fascinating.
What did you say?
Look how big that remote is. That's a really big remote. What if our TV remote was that big?
Be funny.
I love this store so much. Harbor Freight's the best store here because look, you can just turn around and get some charging, solar power charging, and you can power all your stuff off solar power. Everything you need right in one
My
store.
tummy still hurts.
Do you want your pouch?
Okay.
Let's see, where have we got? We've got safety glasses for Jillian. Contacts. There's Jillian's tiny pliers. Here we go, Jillian. Jillian wanted to get these. Are those nice?
Yeah.
What are you going to use them for?
My projects.
Your projects. All right, makes sense.
My work friends.
Another successful trip to Harbor Freight. Thumbs up. In conclusion, I have bought tools I use occasionally, clamps, casters, tarps, carts and storage, paintbrushes, glue, magnets, 6,000-pound wire ropes, shop lights, extension cords, canopies, electric chainsaws, safety glasses, gloves, and tiny clamps at Harbor Freight. And I'd do it again.
I gotta be careful on the corners.
I don't think that's going to work, though. You're going to need to back up and then, yeah, there you go. Now go forward. There you go.